Today we are going to make nice dinner special chili garlic rosemary chicken. So let's start cooking. To prepare the dish, first we'll marinate the chicken. For that, I'm going to rub some salt and pepper on the chicken. Once done on one side, I'm going to turn the chicken and we'll follow the same step. Now that the marination is done, let's pan-sear the chicken. For that, I'm going to switch on the gas. Add oil. Once the oil heats up, we'll start putting in the chicken. I'm going to pan-sear this chicken on both sides till they get golden brown in color. Now that our chicken is pan-seared, I'm going to remove it on the board. I'm going to use the same pan for the sauce as it has remaining juice of the chicken, which will give nice flavor to the sauce. To the pan, I'm going to add some butter. As the butter starts melting, I'm going to add chopped garlic, chopped red chili, lemon slices, to the pan, I'm going to add sliced mushroom, now I'm going to add little white wine. With wine to add more flavor, I'm going to add rosemary. Now we'll add the chicken. Now I'm going to add some stock into the chicken and cover it, cook it for at least 10 minutes. The chicken is now ready. Now we'll prepare the side and then we'll do the plating. For the sides, I'm going to take a pan, add oil, and once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add in chopped garlic. Once the garlic gets little golden brown, I'm going to add some spinach. As the spinach starts shrinking, I'm going to add in cherry tomato and season them with salt and pepper. So there you go guys, our dinner special is now ready. You also do try the recipe and do let me know how it turned out. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Get Curried. This is Chef Prateek signing off. Goodbye.